Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video I will show you how to get extra discount on Hostinger hosting. This video I will show you how you can get better hosting with extra discount. We have just announced if you use our channel name on the Hostinger, you are going to get extra discount. So we will go through step by step how you can apply that particular discount coupon code on Hostinger in order to get extra discount for your Hostinger. For that, let me go to, this is our Hostinger website, and I will go to option Hostinger here on the hosting. Click on hosting. I will go to web hosting. When you click on web hosting, we have this dashboard here, and we will click on claim deal. You will find this link in the description. In the link we have already attached that particular code where you will claim this deal and to get extra discount for your hosting. So for that we have different plans here. We have a premium, we have a business plan, we have a cloud startup. If your website you want to run e-commerce website or any business website, then you can go with this business account. We have here nice features, and it also they have increased the performance up to 5x, and you can host up to 100 websites, 200 gigabyte SSD storage. Even you have a daily backup, unlimited free SSL, unlimited bandwidth, which is good. There is no restriction on bandwidth, because most of hosting company they set the limit for the bandwidth. Here we have unlimited bandwidth, which means unlimited, you can get unlimited visitors, and you have unlimited bandwidth. You have no any restrictions on the bandwidth. We have a free email here, free domain name. If you choose yearly plan, you will get free domain along with free CDN, which is very good. If you choose free CDN, this plan, business plan, it comes with the free CDN, which is provided by Hostinger, which is good. If for example, if your website, someone going to visit on your website from USA or Asia, and this will help to speed up the initial performance. If I visit from my location on that particular website, that going to open within 1 or 2 seconds. That page opening speed become very fast. Okay, that helps. CDN really help to speed up your website. CDN actually content delivery network. It optimize the website up to 40%. It will make your website very fast, which is good thing here, because most of company they don't allow CDN service. You have to pay extra for the CDN, which I think this is good option with Hostinger. And we also have one-click WordPress installation along with the light speed. Again, we have a nice plugin here, and we have a object cache, a WordPress tagging tool, okay, and a WordPress AI tool, which is also good. And you have to go with this business plan. Let me show you. I will click here, add to cart, and I will show you how you can apply our coupon in order to get extra discount for your Hostinger. Let me click add to cart. Here we have a option here, 12 month. You can choose minimum 12 month in order to get extra discount here. Also you have a free domain for first year. You can choose even .com, .net, or any other domain name. Okay, so we have a business plan, and we have to pay only $59. Okay, so let me make it more discount. Okay, what I will do here, you will see option here, have a coupon code. And let me we have here we have to put my channel name. You have to put my channel name, pre-tech ideas, and you will see you will get extra more discount for that. As you can see, we have already 64% discount, which is also good because the total amount was 108, and after 64 discount it's only $59, which is good. Also you have free domain, but if you want more discount, then this coupon will really help you. Let me enter pre-tech ideas. After you put our channel name, pre-tech ideas, click apply. Okay, as you can see, coupon applied. From the $59, you have only now you have to pay only $56, which is good. You get another discount for your hostinger, which is, I think, for the 1 year, $56 is very reasonable price. Also you are getting free domain name, free daily backup, along with the free setup. Everything you will get here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. You can get extra discount this way. You can click link in the description and the coupon will be applied, and you have to follow the instruction in order to get extra discount on hostinger. So thank you so much for watching this video.